protect you from the cat. I protect you from the dog. Yeah. You puff up them feathers. As soon as I move my hand, your little poop will fly out of your butt because you're scared. Yeah. You tilt your head, huh? What you talking about, lady? What are you talking about, huh? Oh, there you go. Back up now. Tough girl. You tough girl. Yeah. You pretty tough? You pretty tough? Yeah. I think you're a weenie. A weenie. You look like you have a mustache. Now come here. Come here. See? What is your problem? All I want to do is hold you without you flapping across and flopping on the floor. Yes. Here. Let's fly. Ready? Do-do, do-do, do-do. Stretch. There we go. Yeah. See? You're such a retard. You're a retard. Can't even fly. What kind of worthless bird are you?